fourth and final free digital marketing tool is Canva. Canva is the best free online video editor. Video is by far the most popular content on social networks. So if you want to go viral, you need to know how to make video. So let me show you how to build on what you already know how to do and turn our article into a short video we can share on Facebook, Instagram, TikTok, or YouTube. First, go to canva.com, then create a free account. Once inside, type TikTok video and select create a blank TikTok video. The dimensions for Facebook, Reels, Instagram Reels, YouTube Shorts, and TikTok videos are all the same. So we'll be able to make one video using this template and share it across multiple marketing channels. Next, give your video a title so you can easily find it later. Then upload some videos to go with your text. You can get these from pexels.com for free, or you could upload a recording of yourself from your phone. To start making your video, drag and drop your first upload onto the editor, then shorten the video length if needed. Next, add your video title, resize the text, and bold it. Then add a background to the text so it stands out and you can change the color if you want. Next, animate the text to catch attention. And finally, resize the text. Let's see how that looks. Pretty cool, right? Making the rest of the video is just a repeat of the steps you've learned. I'll show you one more time to be sure, plus one additional trick. So add your second upload to the editor and then copy the text from the first scene into the second scene. Then add the first heading from your and move the text to the lower third of the screen. I want the second scene to be about 3 seconds long, so we hold viewers' attention. So after 8 seconds in this example, I'm going to right-click on the video and split the video. Now I can update the next piece of text from the article. Then split the video after 3 seconds again and add in the next piece of text. By splitting the video up like this, the video will continue to play uninterrupted, but the text on the screen will change to hold viewers' attention. Just repeat these same steps until you finish your video in just a few minutes. Now for the final scene, you can include a call to action. Simply add in a background color, some text, click on Elements, and search Canva for a relevant icon. Once you're finished, just download the video. And now you'll have a short 1-minute video that you can share across Facebook, Instagram, TikTok, and YouTube. Let's take a look together at the final result. I think you'll agree that it looks pretty professional. Keep in mind that it only took about 10 minutes to make this from start to finish, and it costs us absolutely nothing. We got our video title from Google Trends. We got our video script written by OpenAI. We got free images and videos from Pexels, and we use Canva as a free video editor. You really have everything you need now to make both viral written and video content. So go ahead and try it out for yourself. You can make content as a freelancer and work from home or anywhere in the world. Most people know that making content is the most effective way to grow a business, but they don't do it because they think it's very time-consuming or expensive to do. Now, you know that's not true. You know not only the best free digital marketing tools out there, but more importantly, how to use them together to make content quickly for free in minutes. That's a huge advantage over other people or businesses. As promised at the start of the video, here's a list of all the tools mentioned in the course. The 4 free digital marketing tools we covered in this video are starts, so you can easily find them. To access the spreadsheet, just click the resources section, which should appear below this video. So go ahead and try them out right away to start getting incredible results with your digital marketing.